Hello, everyone. Yes, hello. Okay. I just got this new smoke alarm. I just got this brand new smoke alarm from Menards. Yes, it's a kitty worry free carbon something. I don't know. Carbonation. I can't really read this. Like it's a smoke and co-alarm. Yeah, something. Give me in comments in YouTube. I don't know. I know. Late night. Oh, focus. Hold on. There we go. Late night low battery chirps. Never replace battery, which you're not supposed to replace the battery in this. Okay. Life of the alarm. Voice alarm warns of danger. And of course, my watch just beeped. Yeah, anyway, we are going to be doing an unboxing. I just got this from Menards with also a couple other different things, which will be in some future videos. I also got an emergency light exit combo, and I got a light up power strip, which would have the lights, which will be in future videos. So, yep. Anyway, we are going to be doing an unboxing, which I am moving. Takes a while. Oh yeah, you like this too, right? I made this. It's East High School. Yes. Yep, East High. Focus. I bet Salt Lakers do this. Salt Lake City. They probably do crafts like this. Yep. Anyway, main video is the unboxing of the smoke alarm. Okay, let me set my camera someplace. Hold on. Let me kind of just hold on a second. Straight out my finger. Okay. Let me try and get this open. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this open. This might take a little while here. I don't know, this will not be a very good video. Oh, here we go. I found it. I just found it here. Yeah, this will be an unboxing and setup video, so, yeah. Okay. Go. Open. Okay. Okay, there you go. Can you see that here? Hold on. One second. Hold on. Sorry about this. Sorry. Okay. It says kitty, yada, 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 yada. Okay. Why should I buy the model? This common smoke alarm features state of whatever this is. All this. Sure, you can read all that. Yep. Take your time. Pause the video if you want to read all this. If not, just fast forward. Okay? There you go. And of course, skip the intro. So I guess you can do the excuse and be through the manual. Excuse the headphones. I'm not really going through the instructions. And here is the alarm itself. Get it out of the box. The battery's already in it. Here it is. Ready for the final test. Okay. It's gonna be loud. Don't know what this is or what this is for. Don't know what that is. That's just okay, how about we do English first? Warning. Sorry. Holding the camera. I'm sorry about my shaking. Okay, hon. Before we test the alarm, I'm gonna read this. Like I said, skip forward if you don't want to read it. There you go. Now we'll do Spanish. For people who are Spanish. There you go. Okay, the unboxing is done. Now it is time for the test. Okay, it's gonna be loud. Oh yeah, the battery is not installed, is it? Crap. I think we're gonna have to open it here. So, where's the spot? It's right in here. So, yep. Hold on, and we are 9 minutes into the video already. We gotta stop before it hits 16. Otherwise, I'm gonna get cut out. So, yep. Hold on. I think I need. What is this? Yeah, what is this here? I need to move fast. Yeah, we don't have the battery. Hold on a second. Let me set my camera down. So I know this is a very bad video, and I'm so very sorry. I know I've never really done an unboxing video before. I'm so very sorry about that. Just set my iPad here. There. think you have to open this. There we go.
Push test button.
Okay, I heard that. So basically you have to open it. Hold on. Crap, I just dropped my iPad. This is a very bad video. Sorry about that. Hold on. Hold on. This is a very bad video, people. A very bad video. Just dropped my iPad again. Sorry about this. So that's basically the unboxing, everyone. That is basically the unboxing of a fire alarm. So, yep. And it works. So, it works.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
And as you see, that's basically the unboxing of a fire alarm.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Sorry about the shakiness. And as you can see, it's blinking. So that's basically it, folks. I basically opened my new fire alarm that I just got from Menards. So that's basically it. So I just hope you like the unboxing. So yep. And I hope I do too. And I hope this will get lots of lots of likes and more subscribers. So yep. Thank you and good night. And sorry about the other clients being naughty here. Anyway, goodbye. And I will show you what my face looks like. Here, hold on. Here I am, folks. Hello and goodbye.